What is going on, YouTube? My name is Eddie Wybe. We're in the wilderness of Apple Valley, Minnesota. We already got 12 inches of snow on the ground, as you can see. But I came out here a bit earlier, set up fort, and we are going to be sleeping in this shit. I'm with my boy Cohen Donald. We used to be making these videos at fucking Oak Shore. Matter of fact, I see fort right now, so I will catch up with you guys when we get there. All right, you guys, we have made it to camp. All right, as you see, I already have this set up. Okay, now what I'm thinking is I'm gonna clear this out. We got a little bench right here, set up a fire. But let me show you guys inside the fort. I've already had it built out, so it's nothing much. We got my sleeping mat, we got my fucking backpack. It's literally just this right there. There was nothing. I built up snow so I could be a little bit more insulated. Right here, I put a bunch of sticks because I kept getting snow on there, but you see, I'm not gonna be able to really stop that. And yeah, so I'm gonna get to fucking digging this shit out. And yeah. All right, you guys, so we have the fire pit built out. I'm gonna sit there, try and start the fire, but as you see, we are in snow. So how am I gonna start the fire? I don't know. We'll figure it out. If we don't start the fire, it's just gonna be a cold night, but I think we might be able to get it started, go for a little bit. And Cohen is building his fort out of sticks. What? What'd you say? I don't even hear what he said, but yeah. I'm gonna get to tending this fire, and he's gonna fucking knock some trees down, so yeah. Let's get it. All right, you guys. There's deer. Right there. You can't see him? Probably see him now. Look at them. They're just out here chilling, just like I am. See? And to be honest with you, that's my only... I'm not even concerned about the deer themselves. Those guys are chill. Only thing I was concerned about was coyotes, whatnot, but we'll be chilling on those. We're headed back to the crib. I'm gonna grab him another sleeping bag. And yeah, we're gonna fucking sleep out here tonight, boys, in the fucking snow. Because why fucking not? Alright, you guys, it is 8 o'clock. I'm walking towards camp right now, actually. I ran home to go get a nice meal in real quick, chill with my dad, and we're headed out there right now. I got the sleeping bag out there already. I left everything there. I'm really just gonna go out there, fucking make my sleeping bag, get in there, smoke the J, chill, fucking watch some Outdoor Boys, and go to bed. Wake up 6 a.m. tomorrow, head home, and yeah, man. But we are headed into the trail right now, so I'll see y'all boys when we get to camp. All right, you guys, we are at camp. We are in the sleeping bag here. I'm probably gonna lay back, chill here. I'm going to have a little bit of a crepe with a banana and honey, so I'll make that up real quick, and yeah, probably hit the hay after that. So yeah. All right, boys, we have made it. Well, you already know that. I already fucking made that segment, but we got my crepe right here. It was packed in this little plastic bag. Y'all boys hear the wind. I don't know if you do, but we're fucking protected from it. I'm gonna fucking get some honey on this crepe. Get some banana on there, and bro, okay, so I had a banana earlier, and it was in my pocket, but it got all wet. This is not a ripe banana, just so you guys know, boys. It's probably frozen too, but hey, you know, what else can you ask for, eh? We're out here in the fucking nature. What else can you ask for, man? We're just gonna fucking dig in. We got a crepe. Fucking bit cold, but it'll do. Okay, so yeah, bananas are probably one of my favorite fruits, but fuck, when they are cold or like, I guess you could say wet, they are ass. Okay, you guys might, I don't know if you can see me how good this is, but not that good. Fucking honey. Oh my god, wait, the honey's frozen. Ah, okay. Got that open. It's coming. It's coming. Just slowly. Slowly. Trust me, it's coming. I'm looking at it. Bro, my homie, so he's coming out here right now. And he fucking A. This is just gonna be fun if he comes out here. I mean, I'm by myself right now. And I mean, I was just gonna go to bed, but my homie said he's gonna come out here, so this is gonna be pretty fun. I don't think he understands how like cold it is, and I don't know if he's gonna dress warm enough, but you know what? He'll be fine. If anything, like if it's an emergency, of course I'd let him hop up in my biggie. Hop up in my bivvy. Y'all see the honey, boys? It's out, but it's frozen. It's frozen. Oh. It is coming out, man. Slow as fucking ever. Fuck. And hey. Okay. Now we can get y'all boys stuff up. And we can dig in to our honey banana crepe. That's good. Real good. Well, I'll see you guys when my homie gets here and we do some shit or whenever. But yeah, I'll see you boys. Alright, you guys, so unfortunately I do not have better lighting because the flashlight is in my jacket, but my jacket is my pillow. So yeah, but we tucked in the sleeping bag right now, actually, and I'm about to hit the hay, so probably gonna wake up around 6 a.m. I'm just trying to go see my dad in the morning, and yeah, so I'll probably wake up at 6. I'm gonna leave the tarp here and pack up camp, probably be home by 6:30, and yeah. Good night, guys. Alright, you guys, it's about 3:30 in the morning. I woke up at around 1:30. I got kind of cold, so I threw on my jacket here. And then, yeah, I've just kind of haven't been able to go back to bed. I got, a good 4 hours of sleep. And yeah, but we're laying out here. I'm honestly really warm now. Got a bit cold. I've been staying out the wind though. And yeah, so I just kind of wanted to check in with you boys. Kind of set up so the mic in the sleeping bag, so we're nice and toasty in here. But
Yeah, and it's just me out here tonight, so we did a little solo mission. My friends did not come, which is good because all my friends, you know, a lot of them wanted to come, but I don't think it would have been the safest, you know, move, just because it's really cold out here, and I am in a sleeping bag, long johns, Carhartts, and everything. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright, you guys, 5:30 a.m. Had a schedule today, but we're gonna get out of bed here and fucking go to the bathroom and pack up camp, start heading home. So I'll see you guys when we get the boots on. And yeah.
Alright, you guys, we're out of camp, walking home right now. Fucking it. All my lights died on me. Boots were frozen cold, but we're headed home. Alright, you guys, it is like 10:30 a.m. Just woke up and got out the shower, but yeah, got home at 6:10 a.m. last night, or not last night, this morning, and then I just got undressed and whatnot. Bro, when I walked inside, I was just like, oh, heat. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty warm out there, but you're still outside. It got down to like -8 last night, -6, I think, was what it felt like with the wind chill. But we were out of the wind, and now I'm looking at this fucking big ass snowblower coming through on the sidewalk. So that's pretty sick. But yeah, I think that really, you know, those camping things, they make you grateful for what you got. Because I came home, I laid right in bed, and fuck, man, I just went straight to bed. I was like, oh, my blanket feels so nice. Like, everything just felt 10 times better. But yeah, make sure you guys tune along for more fucking videos. Catch you guys on the next one.